is to expand the variables CMTI. I got to identify omonte need the omonte need the this manage band inchiro band inchiro lakini it's just stretched so that kero mwana akanechbesiria bwana tako ko kunyara wakana so that means no you wait up to that point tukakora bintu bibere Brian tukakora analysis tukanyora the cost of programs the actual to analyze tonyore the cost of programs is actual and relevant. That's why recently we were able to reduce the cost of programs by between 15% and 40%. What it means is this, depending on the program, onye program yale cost 100, if we reduced it by 15%, one will cost 85,000. Onye yale cost 100,000, only to reduce it by 40%, it will cost 60,000 to reduce it. So it is much more affordable for many people to be able to pay. But after that reduction, when I talk about the MTI, to whatever, umwana wo mutaka, nero waka nerunesa kari chibes ningemon. Umwana wo mutaka, I'll give you extremes so that you understand where we are. Umwana wo mutaka, ya waka nerunesa kari 90% of the cost of the program, whichever program it is. 90% of any program kere 100,000, mano mutaka waka neru 90%, which is 90,000. A family kanere 10,000. So your interest should not be only on the 10,000. Kere serikali waka nere the rest. Umwana bu monto ole kachiri. Serikali eko mwaka nera 30%. The rest nero wakaraki, wakada the 70%, nero wakaraki, nero wakada. So you see where we are going with this, that the person who needs the support most gets the highest support. Now, because of the different programs, and then call the two extremes, the cheapest program, the person who needs the highest support necessary will pay 5,800. The cheapest program in the universities, the person who needs the highest support is 10%, is 5,800. If we talk about the most expensive program, he will pay 75,000. So the system has worked in a way that now it is affordable. They have gone to school and they'll be able to pay. It will create sustainability as a university. University we get talking much more because abantu economies of scale. Na dropouts in fact, as we speak, university it's about I think about 5. This week, just the Monday, it's in the Wednesday, Pakalero. As we speak, abana were admitted in the universities first years. As of today, about get 29,000 and something, almost 30,000. And the report now telling that they are paying their fees smoothly. Meaning, even now with all that system that we are put in place, system is working.